So first, can you just say my favorite product at Sailrite is? And just fill in the blank.
Right now, my favorite product at Sailrite is definitely the leather strap cutter.
The clear acrylic ruler.
The Sailrite cordless rotary cutter.
The leather presser feet for the Sailrite sewing machines.
The cordless hot knife.
The Notions.
The Sailrite staple gun.
My favorite tool is the cordless hot knife. Whether I'm doing rigging, cutting lines, biminies and dodgers, and all sorts of different types of projects. Anything with the synthetic fabric, it all works. The fact that it is cordless, that I can take it out to the dock without having to worry about having a outlet someplace that I can power up a traditional hot knife, and if I want to use ultra feed without power, you just pull it out and go.
My favorite tool is the Sailrite staple gun. The main project that I have used it on is the pin board, which is behind me. Something that I love about our staple guns is that we have a short nosed and a long nose. So the long nose is perfect to get into the hard to reach places when you're working on upholstery projects.
Right now, my favorite product at Sailrite is definitely the leather strap cutter. Well, there's a lot of leather working projects you can certainly use it on, but right now what I'm using it on is I am making a Han Solo costume, and I'm using it to make his belt and get just the straight edges on it that I need. You get straight cuts out of it. There's no need to put a straight edge and a blade down. You can just take the strap cutter, twist it, lock it in place, and rip down straight through however big your piece of leather is. And as long as you have a straight edge to start with, you get nice clean cuts, nice straight pieces.
My favorite tool is the Sailrite cordless rotary cutter. I think the rotary cutter is great for when you're making long cuts of fabric. So for example, it's great when you're cutting cushions or pillows because you can stack your fabric on top of each other and cut multiple panels at the same time, which saves a ton of time. It's my favorite tool because it has a variety of uses. You can cut everything from upholstery fabric to webbing to leather to even 1-inch thick foam. So it's the tool that like any DIYer can use really. No matter if you're in the marine or upholstery industry, everyone can use it.
My favorite products are the leather presser feet for the Sailrite sewing machines. The benefit of these feet, obviously, is they are smooth for leather work, so if you're working on a pull-up type leather, it won't leave track marks from the presser foot. The thing that I like so much about it is the center foot has an elongated hole where the needle goes into, which makes it super simple to see where you're stitching. The added benefit to that is you can actually use it for upholstery work as well, so it really becomes a versatile foot. You'll find me using a different outside foot other than the smooth leather foot with, say, the sawtooth foot.
So my favorite product at Sailrite is the Notions. They're the smaller items that can be used every day for any type of projects you have at home. My family's in the horse industry. We sell a lot of stuff that's used in the horse industry. So like to repair your horse blankets. Our horse, you put them on brand new and he tears them up. Now they're getting so expensive. And if I could repair it myself, I could save so much money. And we sell the nylon material, the webbing, the binding that goes along the edge, everything to make your own.
One of my favorite tools is the clear acrylic ruler. I use it on almost every single project. In fact, of the 100 and some projects that I've done this year, I can't think of a single project that I haven't used it on. What I like about the clear acrylic ruler is that you can see right through it. So you can line it up to the edge of your fabric and you can scribe a line perfectly because you can see through it, or you can line it up to a hem and then mark another line. But it's also square, and so you can use it to make sure that everything is perpendicular or parallel. It has all kinds of uses for hems and for measuring things, and also you can mark on it with a scribe ball pencil so you don't have to actually look at the measurements every time. One other thing about the tool is that you can use it as an edge guide for when you're using a rotary cutter or even a razor blade, and you can actually cut fabric or leather pretty accurately because of it.